Hello YouTube, this is Brian B Rizzo 805 coming with you with a Kre-o Cityville Invasion review. Alright, so we've all seen, well, there's I think it's Rob A has done a couple reviews of these guys, this blind pack. I was at the Toys R Us by my work, and this was here also. This was only like $7.99, and these guys were $2.99, but it was like buy one get one half off. So I never know that at the time, so it was kind of nice to see it, that for the price of all 8 of these I got this guy for free. So that's awesome to hear. And I bought these mainly for, hold on, let's see. Alright, for the head of that guy. I think I'm using that head as a custom for one of my superheroes. But it was $8 and bought it on a whim. So they come like, let's see. Oh, let's see. Is that better? So they come with these guys: Billy Bandit, City Jack, and a mystery figure, which ends up being, so let me show you the guys. We have Billy Bandit, pretty cool, sort of, I guess. Here is City Jack. There's a cool playability here for him. I'll show you in the review. And here is the mystery guy. He's a prisoner. You notice, same shirt, same arms, but he is in a construction outfit. So 2 bad guys, 1 good guy, and I think he's the only good guy. So we get those 3 guys, put that to the side. Here's what it comes with, and here is this. And I don't know if you've seen Skyscraper Mayhem, but there is, right, hold on, there. That guy to the left in the yellow is a man in a banana suit. So that's like the coolest thing in that set. Is a small guy in a banana suit. Okay, so here it is. And for anyone who's wondering about the motion brick, there's a Sonic Motion. It's Sonic Motion compatible. Meaning, thought I thought I saw something about it. I think what it is, something you buy that connects to it, and it makes everything move or motions or vibrate. And those little things like this, it has like bristles on it right there, just kind of move around just as vibrations. So until we see one, whatever. So here is what it comes with. It comes with a, well, I'm gonna bring this back up. I thought this was a good idea. So wrecking ball. Let me put it right here. Wrecking ball. So it spins. He's basically like if in Transformers, if what's his name? I can't remember his name. And Transformers Prime, guy with the wrecking ball. It'll come to me. If he turned into this instead of his little like SUV thing. So here that is, and all you do is this, and you can take Mr. Angry Man, put him right here. And there you go. And he goes like this. And if you've seen some of the gameplay, this and this car, the construction vehicles, are used to clean up and clear out and tear down the old buildings that are destroyed by Dr. Mayhem. So we put Billy, whatever his name is, or there. He pushes stuff and he can grab stuff. So there's that. They also come with crates, which these are supposed to be, and they could be blocked and stacked. You come around here and swing him around. Maybe he comes and clears them out. Now, they also come with, as you can see in the box, forgive my bad stickering. It's not as bright as it is on the box. So, it's a stop sign. And the problem is, you put it on here, and it slides down. This one, this is a construction blast sign. Actually fits a lot better, so. But this is basically just the shield that Captain America has. I mean, that Kre-o designed. So, overall, that's this set. Overall, is it worth $8 for this? For the price I paid when I got half off of the other things, yeah, it's not bad. It's interesting to see what I may be able to do with these things, because they're not in. Let me grab. There. That's better. There you go. Now this might be the best playability feature ever. We have a human with cliff jumper. We have a car which might transform into that size. Get out of the way, Cliff. Here's a flying car. My easily customized Viacon with a construction bot, which can be good as a Constructicon, or yeah, constructions guy. So like a Devastator. So if they ever do more of these, at least 4 more of these guys, I think I'm gonna pick them up and try and make a Devastator. So that's my plan. But now, here might be a downside. TNT's making them fall. Alright. There's a downfall. As car, when you turn into him, they're still too big for that. So, you know, it's still a cool playability feature. It's like having those little game pieces from Lego. I don't have any with me, though. I have them in that brown box right there. Some of them. I think they're the same size, they just have arms. But now they have arms like little people that maybe would be good at working for them, like this. So, like you saw before, they're a good size that maybe for some of the Transformers. Or here's Optimus. Or here is maybe one of my favorite things that I have yet to try out. Okay, so we tried Cliff Jumper. How about this? And yeah, Prime is pretty small compared to the human size, but this could easily be Spike. It could be Spike's father. Can't remember his name. Or it could be Daniel, but I like to think this is maybe Spike. So. And then, yeah. So we could use these guys as humans to the Kre-ons. So, that is this one. I will do one more video with all of these guys and their numbers. If you do find them and you decide, hey, maybe I want to use that head, or maybe, or anything. Like, this guy I might use for Green Arrow, because of all of hold on, there you are. Forgot where the camera was. Because of all the hair on his face, might be okay for Green Arrow. I can't think of anyone else that might be able to pull it off for the bad guys. So. Who really knows? But this is Kre-o Construction Site Smash number A4912 or A3245. Yeah. And everything, it has everything just like the small packets has, so not missing too much. So, is it worth $8? I don't know. How you can use it, how will it be used, it's totally up to you, but maybe you could use them with your Kre-o Transformers, maybe you just want a head. So, or you want to use pieces for using something. So if you see this, maybe pick it up if you really want. But there are probably really other cooler ones out there, like Haunted Hideaway, possibly. Definitely a Skyscraper Mayhem, because Mayhem is in it. There's a monkey in it, giant monkey. There's a guy in a banana suit. There's a small helicopter, and I can't tell from this. Then one of the cooler ones that I think is a police station zombie defense. So more zombies, definitely, and Marina Madness, which there's a shark in there that's designed differently than Lego Shark, which might be interesting to look at. But other than that, I would say definitely the Skyscraper Mayhem and Police Station Zombie Defense. For those two scale things. And just for the faces and different things like that. So, alright, well, thank you for watching. This is Brian, BRizzle805. Please subscribe. Please comment. Sorry, that doesn't go there. And this has been a Kre-o review.